Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I have some of the best news that I could possibly imagine, sharing with you guys. And we've got little Rylee here and Katie. And guess what? No more chemo. We are cancer free.
Yay!
Yeah, we are cancer free. So you guys, we told you, and I'm going to try to do this without getting too emotional, but we told you last week that we were waiting on our imaging. We had a PET scan, we had MRI and a CT scan, and then we also had our bone marrow biopsy. And pretty quick, we got the imaging results back, which showed no, definitive sign of cancer. And
we were waiting on those bone marrow.
Yeah, we were waiting on the bone marrow, and we ended up actually getting the news yesterday, but we have made it official today. We went in and saw our doctor. She can go down if she wants to.
Yeah.
And so we went in today to clinic, and we got the No More Chemo song.
No more chemo
for Rylee.
Yay!
So I'll play that at the end of the video here. That was super awesome. Yeah, it's been an emotional couple days. And that means that we get to go home. We get to go home next Wednesday. So like under a week.
Super soon.
Yeah.
Very weird to say, but very excited.
Super weird. And it's been a little bit over 7 months now, so it turned out to be shorter than we initially expected. When we first got here to St. Jude, we were being told, anywhere from 18 to 24 months. And we ended up, getting her cancer free within 7 months, which it has a lot to do with just the fact that she wasn't MICA amplified, and she was under 18 months old, which put her in intermediate risk. And, our treatment plan, because of her age, had us only with 8 cycles of chemo and no radiation. So,
It's been amazing. And
Yeah.
St. Jude, it's just amazing. And I just want to say thank you for all of the support and the prayers and all the good vibes and all the things from the universe. We did it, and Rylee's amazing, and can't wait to get home. We'll still be on an oral chemo for at least a year, and we'll have to come back for lots of checkups, but to be able to be done with this part is so huge. So thank you everyone for the support, and I just can't say enough good things about St. Jude, because I don't know where we would be without it. So thank you.
Yeah, I personally wanted to do this video without crying, but
Can't do it.
I can't do it. But happy tears. I just want to, reiterate what she said. When we started this journey, we ended up getting so much support from everybody, and we've had the same support throughout this whole process. And so I just want to say thank you to everybody out there that has, sent prayers, well wishes, positive vibes, and have supported us throughout this whole process. And of course, St. Jude has been a godsend, like absolutely incredible. We will be representing and promote, spreading the word of St. Jude for the rest of our lives. And they are pretty much, our saviors. So it's just an incredible feeling to be able to finally get to go home. So anyways, guys, I wanted to show you this. This right here is a piece of paper that was the measurements of the original tumor when we first got here, and then the next time that they got the imaging, and then the third time, and then right here you can see 0 by 0 by 0 centimeters. And we've got Dr. Sarah to sign this. And so I just want to say thank you to Dr. Federico and the whole team. And when I say the whole team, I'm not just talking about like everybody in the clinic. I'm talking about everybody that works at St. Jude. everybody, the people that, the folks at valet for just making it an easy process for us to park when we get to the hospital. All those things make a huge difference. Security, everybody here at Target House.
Home care.
Yeah,
Our
home
nurses.
care, everybody. So anyways, guys, just wanted to share the amazing news with you guys. And here's a video with her
The song,
the
More
song,
Chemo song.
the No More Chemo song.
No more IV chemo.
Only way to say it. So, anyways, here we go. Trust the process.
Mwah. Thank you, guys.
You want some balloons and a shirt and your sign. I'll put your shirt right here. Okay, come on in, friends. You need the people. Look, she wants her balloons. Here, I'll just put that down. Yay, Riley's done with IV chemo. Okay, ready? Yes. Wait, Rylee, say happy. Say happy. Happy.
Say happy. Happy.
Ready? Our patients have the cutest SMILEs. Our patients have the sweetest HEARTs. Oh, we love to see you every day. Now's the time we get to say, pack up your bags, get out the door. You don't get IV chemo anymore. You might need more of that. I love it. They just made up.